Welcome to today's video. We're actually going to go drifting to an actual drift event. It'll be my first drift event while I'll be driving. We're going to drive down 4 hours to go to OSW, Orlando Speed World, and we're going to be taking the FRS. So a lot of you guys probably want to see Blueberry do some skid. I haven't driven him in 2 months, and I just started him so I can get the battery going. But my only fear right now is that he's too low to get on the trailer, and it's raining. So I got some pieces of wood there, and well, I'm not sure how this video does it justice, but we are lowered a little bit. Looking good, looking good. All right, slow down.
You can just gun it now. Oh, your back tire spun. The wood shifted.
Well, he's off the board on this side.
Yeah.
Alright, look shit out.
Did you put the parking brake on?
Parking brake's on. So, I'll push it. Why you don't stand behind the boards?
Words of wisdom from Michael.
I threw it in the middle because I didn't want that to happen. Okay.
You're good. You're fine.
Okay, so we're at OSW, and apparently there's a pedal dance you need to do to disable traction control and everything. I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. It didn't work. I want to make sure it's fully warmed up. You also have 30 seconds. It's not fully warmed up.
You a loop right quick in the parking lot here?
Yeah.
Still don't know if you can hear me, but this is lap 3, and first 2 laps I spun out. I'm just gonna try not to spin out. That's my main goal. I feel like I'm more comfortable clutch kicking it rather than hand braking it, because I don't know what's wrong with me, but when I pull the hand brake, I forget to release the clutch, so I'm just coasting the whole time. So I need to get quicker at that. I don't know. I'm just trying to learn.
You good?
Alrighty, I spun out, and I was trying not to kill the car, so I just mapped the gas, and well, it didn't It didn't die, so that's good. A little bit over 20 minutes left in our group. So I'm just gonna keep hot lapping it until it's over then, because I'm really thirsty. I think I do feel more comfortable clutch kicking rather than hand braking. Like I said, when I hold the handbrake, obviously I have the clutch in, and then I release the handbrake, and I forget to release the clutch so I can get on power. And then I straighten out, then I kind of freak out, and oh well. Cool thing is there's an FRS in front of me. This is an FRS, and there's an FRS behind me, so I didn't think there would be so many of these cars. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me. I moved the mic closer to my mouth. I don't know. I feel like it might get too much wind noise. But anyway, like I don't have any other mounts, but we're going up for second session. I think I'm getting over the oh my god, it's my first event. Yeah. Okay, the camera's still there. Before the day's over, I want to make it through the whole track without spinning out. It doesn't matter if I do good or not, but just I want to make it through not spinning out. That's a good goal for my first event, right? That's, I don't know, hopefully I can do it. Man, this line just keeps getting longer and longer and longer. It's crazy.
What's going on?
That broke. Gone. Had a check engine light for bank 1 too lean. It nerfed itself, so it wouldn't go past like 3,000 RPM. So plug the battery in. Excuse me. Hooked up. No wires look like they're being destroyed anywhere.
Did you just headbutt the hood?
No, that was them. I did not. Yeah.
and just like that, we're back home. It's actually morning now. Finished editing the video, I realized I didn't close it out. I think the last clip I have on there is the oval. There's some things I want to go over that I feel like you guys might have a question about. So if you're still here, I can explain why I didn't take Blueberry or Blackberry or whatever you want to call him. I don't think he would pass tech inspection, mainly because he leaks a lot of oil. There on the side of the block. Let's see if I can get a light for you. See that? That's a lot of oil. I replaced the valve cover gasket. I do think it's the cam seal just sloshing oil everywhere. You can see there's a line there, so it has to be the cam. Nothing up top. Anyway, just having the car idling, you can smell the burning oil. It's probably just burning off the side of the block, but you park it anywhere overnight and you have like a dime size amount of oil on the floor. I need to do the timing belt and everything, so it's not that big of a deal. Back to the FRS. During the video, we were trying to fix this thing because we had a check engine code for bank 1 running too lean. What happened was one of the vacuum hoses slipped off or vibrated off, I guess. Took the hose off, put it back on, and it ran fine. It is one of these, I think it was this guy, right? And actually Mike found it's one of the venting recirc system things. After that, the car did great. I had 1 lap left. Yeah, it was pretty fun. I wish I could have had more laps. I think I had a total of 10 laps at the whole event. I was in the C group, and C group is allowed the same time as B and A, except C group people spun out, so you know, hitting cones and stuff, they had to go pick up the cones. So you know, I spun out more than anybody there. I think I got about 10 laps, which doesn't seem like a lot, and it really isn't for driving 4 hours down there, getting a hotel, then driving 4 hours back. It seems like a lot of time and effort to have just 10 laps, and hopefully I'll get more laps on the next event. Maybe bring this thing, but seeing the videos, there's a lot of things that I need to work on, like handbrake stuff, and there's staying on throttle. I noticed watching my runs that 1, I was spinning out a lot, and 2, the car was really quiet, and I think I had the quietest car there. I'm not saying loud is fast or having a lot of tire smoke is fast, but I just wasn't on throttle. I think I just need to commit. The car's so gutless that you need to just have the gas floored. But either way, I got my feet wet, and now I am itching to go back for more. Just wanted to end the video here. All right, I'm gonna put this together, put it up. So either way, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.